Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to send video on WhatsApp in a round shape on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you want to send in a round shape, so keep watching this video until the end. First of all, your WhatsApp must be latest version. After that, simply tap on setting, and after that simply tap on setting. Here you can see appears on screen. Tap on setting, and now tap on chat. Tap on it, and tap on instant video message, enable from here. And now tap on chat again, and open any chat you want to send video message. Simply tap on this micro, tap on it, and you can see this is a chain to video message. If you want to uh, record video, so simply long press here, and you can see video is creating successfully. You can see appears on screen, this is my video, and you can see appears on screen. Simply how to send, simply tap on send, and my video is sending successfully. You can send video message in round shape. You can see appears on screen. By this method must be your WhatsApp latest version for this feature on your iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.